All right, thanks, Nate. Now, today marks the 3-year anniversary of one of the biggest earthquakes in our state's modern history. On March 18th, 2020, that 5.7 magnitude earthquake centered just north of Magna rocked northern Utah and the Salt Lake Valley. The earthquake knocked out power to tens of thousands of people, damaging buildings in Salt Lake, Magna, and beyond. FEMA has since provided Utah with millions of dollars to repair. Our state continues to prepare for the next big quake. Now this is what it looked like inside our news studio. You could see the moment the quake hit at 7:09 a.m. The lights in the studio started shaking and our staff went running for cover. If you want tips to prepare for the next big expected quake, you can check the website listed at the bottom of your screen.